Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switch in 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speedy lessons, looking at lesson number 7, Ditiro tša letšatši, daily activities. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to talk about their daily routines using the present tense in Sepedi. Vocabulary: wake up, tsoga, 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 tsoga. Bath, hlapa, 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 hlapa. Eat, ja, 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 ja. Drink, nwa, 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 nwa. Walk, sipila, 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 sipila. Read, vala, 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 vala. Write, ngwala, 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 ngwala. Study, ithuta, 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 ithuta. Play, vapala, 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 vapala. Sleep, rovala, 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 rovala. 5 sentences. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Ke tsoga ka iri ya botshelela mesong. 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 I bath before going to school. Ke hlapa pele ke ya sekolong. 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 The children eat breakfast. Bana ba ja dijo tša mesong. 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 We study Sepedi in the classroom. Re ithuta Sepedi ka phapošing. 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 I go to bed at 9 o'clock in the evening. Ke robala ka iri ya senyane mantšibua. 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 Grammar focus. The present tense describes action that happens now or regularly. Example, ke bala buku, I read the book. Ba bapala kgwele, they play football. Re ithuta Sepedi, we study Sepedi. Notice how the subject changes the beginning of the verb. Ke, I. O, you. Re, we. Va, they. Language fact. In Sepedi, many verbs are short and simple. For example, ja means eat, noa means drink, vala means read, rovala means sleep, sepela means walk. Learner activity. Describe your daily routine in 3 Sepedi sentences. Example, ke tsoga ka iri ya botshelela, ke ya sekolong, ke robala mantšibua. Describe your daily routine in 3 Sepedi sentence in the comment below. Word of the day, mafulufulu, hard work. Mafulufulu, mafulufulu. Example, mafulufulu a tliša katlego, hard work brings success. Mafulufulu a tliša katlego, mafulufulu a tliša katlego, mafulufulu a tliša katlego. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020. Thank you.